Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm breaking down how to download and install Affinity by Canva on Windows. So let's jump right in. First off, go ahead and open your browser and go to affinity.studio. Then from here, you want to scroll through the page until you find this sign up to download button. Once you do, go ahead and click that. Then from here, on this page, you want to choose window. Oh, you want to choose how to log in. So you can log in using your Google, your Facebook, your email, or even with your phone number. So today, let's go ahead and click Gmail. All right. And then wait for the next page here. Then from here, you have the option to opt in or out for any notifications or email from them. So for now, let me go ahead and leave that and save my choice. And then on this next page, you can choose to download either for Mac OS or for Windows. But again, for today, we'll be downloading for Windows. So let's click this, right? And then from here, you want to choose the appropriate one for you. So for me, let's go ahead and click this. All right, now it's already downloading. So let's wait for this a bit. All right, now it's done installing. Let's go ahead and go to that folder. Then from here, all I have to do is double click this. Then click install. And wait for this to properly install. All right, now that it's done, we can go ahead and launch this. Click that, and that's it. Affinity by Canva is now installed on your Windows PC. So if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks!